Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house for sale located in Barnstaple, Manchester. This split level home can be utilized as a family home or as an income earner property. Some features include backup water tanks, patio, beautiful bathroom with jet tub and spacious kitchen. The land area of this house is approximately 43,196 square feet. This home is located less than 50 minutes away from the Mandeville town. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.